Ever wondered how you can get into cybersecurity without coding or script writing? It seems like a daunting task, doesn't it? But fear not, as today we're going to explore 10 ways to immerse yourself in the field of cybersecurity without a single line of code. First on the list is understanding the basics. Cybersecurity is a wide field with various aspects. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic concepts. Think of terms like malware, firewall, encryption, and VPN. A solid understanding of these principles lays a strong foundation for your cybersecurity journey. Secondly, embrace the culture of continuous learning. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field with new threats emerging every day. Keep up to date with the latest trends and advancements. Subscribe to newsletters, join online forums, and participate in webinars. The third way is to get certified. Several institutions offer certifications in cybersecurity that do not require coding. Examples include Certified Information Systems, Security Professional, CISSP, and CompTIA Security Plus. These certifications validate your knowledge and skills, making you more attractive to employers. Fourth, network. Connect with professionals in the field, attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in online discussions. Networking not only helps you learn from others' experiences but also opens doors to job opportunities. Fifth, understand legal and ethical aspects. Cybersecurity isn't just about protecting systems, it's also about understanding the legal and ethical implications. Familiarize yourself with laws related to data privacy and ethical hacking. Sixth, learn about risk management. Understanding the risks associated with different types of cyber threats is crucial. Learn how to assess, mitigate, and communicate these risks effectively. Seventh, practice problem solving. Cybersecurity involves identifying problems and finding solutions. Sharpen your problem-solving skills by tackling real-world scenarios. Eighth, master the art of communication. Effective communication is key in cybersecurity. You'll often need to explain complex issues to non-technical people. Practice making complex concepts simple and understandable. Ninth, develop business acumen. Understanding how businesses operate will help you implement effective security measures. Learn about business processes, strategies, and decision-making. Finally, be persistent. Breaking into cybersecurity without coding may take time, but with persistence, curiosity, and the right attitude, you can make it happen. To recap, the 10 ways to get into cybersecurity without coding are understanding the basics, continuous learning, getting certified, networking, understanding legal and ethical aspects, learning about risk management, practicing problem solving, mastering communication, developing business acumen, and being persistent. Remember, cybersecurity is not just about code. It's about understanding the landscape, learning continuously, connecting with others, understanding the law, managing risk, solving problems, communicating effectively, understanding business, and being persistent. So don't be discouraged if you're not a coder. There's a place for you in cybersecurity.